Hazel. So, in our family, we are the closest sibling. Kami ni Jipoy. Kay Manong, syempre si Manong magulang. And followed by sa magulang kong babae, syempre babae. And then ako, kami duwa laki, so danay kami duwa. Almost, ng 1 year ang age gap namon. So we have also 2 boys na manghod. So congratulations pa for the great job. What a performance. For the information of everyone, we graduated on the same year in the same school sa akong magulang, si Kipoy. Doon kami graduate elementary. Kung pamangkot ka mo nga pamangkotan niyo na lang siya. Because sometimes si Jipoy was one of the naughtiest person in the classroom. May pagkadungol kag sometimes gaupod man sa mga dungol. But he is a person is responsible and kind. Basta may ara lang siya, iatag niya wholeheartedly kung anong may ara sa iya. He is a big man in our family. I can still recall when I was bullied by my classmate, itidungan kami sa pag-elementary lang namun na. So when I was grade 2, ang isa kong classmate nanugid sa iya na ginabully ko malaw. And then all of a sudden, nag-appear siya sa amon classroom sa una. And then he kept those classmates namon nga nagbully sa ako. That's why during elementary, kung may mag-bully sa akin sa muna, I told them, so kita ka sa magulang ko. And then suddenly, they will back off. Huwag nila sila sulog-sulog sa akin. Kaya magulang ko mong. There was an incident in Kabangkalan Public Plaza before I was playing basketball with my friends. Because of basketball na napikunan, siyempre normal naman sa basketball bulag is out. And then one of our opponent nagtawag sa iyang magulang man. And then for backup. And all of a sudden from Perfect Shot Billiard Center, hindi pala billiard saya, dahil sa natambay sa muna, together with the gang, upo dyan upo dyan sa muna, ng all of a sudden nag-ibot ko, na siya. And then napala niya kupay ng puli na. Ako lang puli ko, nakapuli ko nga wala nang wala ko bilang nila na away blaw. And then that time, si Papa wala kabalo. Nasubong pa lang ako mapabalo sa iya. Nga motog na tapos sa plaza. Kita kanila naman sa muna po. Si Jipoy is a person that has a strong personality. Medyo may sugod maging siya. That's why nag-indulge siya in mga military life na profession. Malawang sa Yamati Kasla. Kung ano gusto niya ng buton, he will make a way. Work hard for it, and then boom! Kipot ka, nakuhain ang gusto niya. Kita niyo si Hazel, hindi niya pa? Pero, seriously, may message sa ako na magulang. Why? Take it seriously, very important thing. Keep in mind, continue finding your happiness together with Hazel. Because happiness is personal. Even if personal. It is within you. No one will dictate you how to be happy. It is up to you how to be happy. It's up to you kung paano i-discover mo na. Do not ever allow other people na mag-judge sa inyo. Pag sa inyo wala desisyon, kita ko, ay, ang muli, ang malas ang iba, ang muli. No? It's up to you. It's personal. So we are happy to see you in the blue coat and Hazel in the white gown. So naipagit kami in behalf of the family of Kiret. We are very happy. Siyempre, we can't wait to see our 10 nieces kag 10 nephews after this. Majikan nyo lang. So by the way, congratulations. So at this time siguro, to congratulate our newlywed couple, no? So why naton? So kuha mo ng why naton for sending for message of congratulations sa ilang nga duwa. So everyone, let us raise our glasses. Tanan, di na mo kamuhay. So everyone, please, cheers. Okay.